To snag a great rank in NEET UG, you need to work smart, stay dedicated, and have a solid game plan. Check out these cool tips to help you crush your goal. 1. Know your battlefield, understand the exam. The NEET UG exam is your ticket to becoming a doctor, so getting familiar with the syllabus and exam pattern is the first order of business. What's on the exam? You'll be tested on physics, chemistry, and biology, PCB, from your classes 11 and 12. Biology alone makes up a whopping 360 marks out of 720, so make sure you are tight with this subject. 2. NCERT is your Bible. When it comes to NEET, NCERT is the holy grail. This is especially true for biology, where almost all the questions come straight from this book. Make sure you read every single line, yes, even the boring ones. Highlight important points, underline key terms, and jot down short notes. For chemistry and physics, NCERT is awesome for the basics, but you'll want to explore some reference books for extra practice, especially when it comes to numerical problems. 3. Build a realistic routine. Why realistic? Because trying to study for 16 hours a day just isn't doable in the long run. Instead, divide your day into chunks: morning for fresh concepts, afternoon for tackling problems, and evening for reviewing what you've learned. Give biology extra time but keep switching between subjects to keep things interesting. Try the Pomodoro technique, study for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break to recharge. 4. Practice, and then practice some more. Start with previous year's question papers. Think of them as treasure maps, they reveal the types of questions NEET loves to ask. Make weekly mock tests your best friend. Not only will they boost your speed and accuracy, but they'll also get you totally prepped for the real deal. After each test, take a look at how you did. Did you score low in physics? Figure out why. Was it a concept thing, careless errors, or maybe time management? Whatever it is, fix it before the next test. 5. Master your concepts. In NEET, simply memorizing things won't cut it unless you've got the concepts down pat. Physics. Focus on solving problems. Books like H.C. Verma or D.C. Pandey are great for nailing those concepts. Chemistry. Find a good balance between all three parts: physical, formulas and calculations; organic, reactions and mechanisms; and inorganic, memorizing stuff from insert. Biology. Diagrams are your secret weapon. Practice labeling them because NEET has a thing for diagram-based questions. 6. Time management is your superpower. NEET is basically a race against the clock, 180 questions in 200 minutes. That's barely a minute per question. While practicing, aim for these timings. Biology in 40 minutes, it's quicker and scores high. Chemistry in 50 to 60 minutes. Physics in 60 to 70 minutes, it can be a bit time consuming. If you come across any tricky questions, skip them and come back to them later. 7. Revise like a pro. Revision is where the real magic happens. Without it, even the best preparation can go down the drain. Make sure you set aside at least 2 hours every day for revision. Revise formulas, equations, and diagrams until you know them in your sleep. Keep a handy notebook for last-minute cramming, it'll be a lifesaver in those final days. 8. Stay healthy, body and mind. Sleep is non-negotiable. A tired brain can't retain information, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Eat a balanced diet. Include brain foods like nuts, fruits, and green veggies. Avoid junk food, it just makes you sluggish. Don't skip exercise. Even a 20-minute walk can boost your focus. 9. Stay positive and motivated. Some days will feel hard. You might score low on a test or feel behind in your syllabus. That's normal. Remind yourself why you started this journey. Visualize yourself wearing that white coat, it's closer than you think. Avoid comparing yourself with others. Everyone's pace is different. Focus on your own growth. Celebrate small wins, completed a tough chapter. Solved a tricky question. Give yourself a pat on the back. 10. Exam day game plan. The day before the exam, don't overdo it. Revise lightly and relax. During the exam, start with biology. It's straightforward and scoring. Then tackle chemistry, and finish with physics. Keep track of time but don't panic if you get stuck, move on and come back later. 11. Seek help when stuck. Don't hesitate to ask teachers, mentors, or even peers when you're confused. Use online resources like YouTube channels, Unacademy, Akash Byju's, and apps like NEET or Embibe for extra guidance. 12. Stay consistent and persistent. Even if you study 6 to 8 hours a day.